So this is the door nothing will fit through. Sink here, hanging sink. Remove that outlet. Here's where the shower goes, okay? With the head that way, and the toilet goes right here. Use bidet on the toilet, shower head on the toilet, and shelf goes right here. So this is week 3 of having no toilet, no bathroom, and it's been like this for about 2 weeks now, 3 weeks. This is the 3rd week, really. Well, they tore it up Tuesday, so it'll be this way, the new floor in 2 days. Sammy wanted to save the toilet, I guess. It's out there in the yard. It's got a nice new floor. We tore out the walls because this door right here is too narrow to even fit the tub that was in here through. It was built afterwards, I suppose. And so the idea was to go tile the entire room, which, you know, I've sourced the tile for about $1,000 with the sinks and everything else for materials. But you have to realize the landlord, my mother, actually is a psych ward nurse, and she's decided that this is punishment or something, or she's mad about, she'd agreed to the tile, now she's not, so there's not been any work for 3 weeks. 2 weeks. 3 weeks since this was done, though. By the weekend, I'm not sure. So if you run into the landlords that, you know, are just oafish, rude, nasty sorts of people, that would pretty much be the group of my biological relatives. They lived in a home for a while. Now they tore out some of it, left some of it. It's I think that's where the rats had actually gotten into it, and they left that part, I guess, wanting to get on video or something, who knows. There was no insulation here. They tore out this insulation because of ants. They tore out the sheetrock because we're going to put up concrete wall for the tile to stick better. But they've changed their mind, or she's changed her mind. My brother, it doesn't matter. They're retard rants. Called up complaining, say, hey, you know, we paid attorney fees because you sued us. You spent that. Maybe I did delete $30,000 of the thing. Or whatever else. And shouting it won't be done until it's reasonable, and they're the most unreasonable people. But what do you do with 3 weeks of violations of just no toilet? The mold has been removed, given. But I would say this would be back on the bad renovators list, not to have a plan before you tear out the toilet. You want to have a plan, right? You want to have everything in the toilet ready to replace. The other toilet was cracked. And everything else, probably within a day, really. I mean, if you're doing some tile and other type things, if someone's living here. But you want to be able to replace the toilet at least, and probably the bath within a day or 2. I'm not really sure what the city codes is on that, but usually houses have bathrooms. She called back with ranting about something. Ridgeview, she was sued, she was mad, she didn't want to do it. The renovators, well, when I say bad renovators, I'm talking about the homeowners. But the renovators wanted too much she can't find anybody to do the tile or something. They wanted $7,000 to tile this room, actually, work only. But she called back with shouting at Ridgeview they do something different and has some plastic wood or something, or cheap showers, or who knows. But there's the bathroom, all of it. So this is a tile, a pink marble I found, a mounted sink, this spigot, which just looks amazing, a pop-up thing, all brass, all gold, wall-mounted soaps and towel holders. All this came under $1,000, even the lights. for the marble and everything else for material, including the mirror and the hanging shelves. The hanging shelves, $200. That was the biggest thing, and the 9-spray hay. So this is Okie Jackson. He was my dad. We were going up to Kentucky in this photo to look at some property for timbering. He's had it since, well, he's had it 70 years. But anyways, he died. He was put in the hospital by my mom, who's a psych nurse, and my brother and everything else. And this is the family before they moved into a psych ward for 10 years, the three of them there while I was away at college. Okie Jackson was a great guy. They killed him. Look at Bruce versus Jackson for the details in Kindle. So if you've a toxic tort or, landlords who are leaving a toilet out in the yard for 3 weeks without putting one in, have them take a look at it. They're probably deranged, like my retard rant mother here.